Hello, you guys. Welcome to the Wise Woman Way. You're here with Elizabeth Lai today on household tips. Well, we're in our kitchen, but we're doing laundry today, multitasking, preparing food, wiping down appliances, sweeping, mopping the floor. And it's okay because that's what we women do. We like to stay busy. We're like busy bees. Anyhow, we're taking our clothes out of the dryer. And I got to tell you guys, we don't use, oh, how'd that get in there? We don't use any, softener in our clothes, okay? We don't need all that extra. We're not going to put it in here. We're just going to put it straight up in the dryer. And when we dry clothes, this is how we do it, okay? We're going to be real with you. You want to shake your clothes out. There'll be less wrinkle. That are for those things that aren't wrinkle-free stuff. Like, for instance, this, you don't have to worry about this here material here. This is wrinkle-free. Let me turn it inside out. And it's always a good thing before you wash to turn all your clothes basically inside out, so the wear and tear be in the inside rather than the outside of your designs and stuff. So we're just going to take these clothes as we do it. Of course, this isn't wrinkle-free, these big fluffy bathrooms. You definitely want to do towels if you have towels, okay? So we're going to finish getting our clothes out. Oh, I love when I wash my huge bathrooms and my pajamas. They smell good just from the detergent we use and deodorize from our baking soda. Remember I told you about the baking soda. Yes, you guys, we thank you for tuning in today. We are here multitasking. I don't know if we have enough light, but we do now. Welcome, 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 you guys, to the Wise Woman Way. We're here in the kitchen. We're giving household tips on how we do things. Okay? So this is the proper way. Oh, boy. Okay. Sometimes stretching can get a little hard these days, you guys. Anyway, you want to check all your pockets and stuff and make sure you don't have anything in your pockets before you start washing, okay? And so look, always clean your linters so no fire gets started with your dryers, okay? Whether it's the washer that has a lint holder or whether it's a dryer. So mine is the dryer. Okay, also I'll let you guys know this as well. We don't use any sheets in our dryer as well, because what the dryer do, it puts electricity basically into the clothes. So we kind of like that, but no, we don't wear a lot of material these days that attracts a lot of lint and stuff to us. So we can get by a lot without using the sheets for softening and stuff. We don't need a whole lot of this stuff. So I have everything in and everything gonna come out dry, nice and fluffy, smelling good. Okay, I love these new washers and dryers because they sound off for you. And even with these things, you have to always make sure you wash everything down, you guys, because it's not going to wash itself, you know. You got to get into everything and wash them down as you use them. This is how you keep things really nice and clean, you know. Keep everything washed down. And I'm showing you this, and you may see some spots and stuff. Like I say, I'm not the only one these days using these things. So wash them and clean them as much as you can, because stuff is always hanging on, lint and everything. So you want to get all your stuff clean. Okay, you guys, we're going to turn it on. Okay. It's not much you need to do to these new dryers or washers. Okay, you guys, thank you again for tuning in to the Wise Woman Way. We hope you guys can gain some skills from what we showed you. It's super simple. It's all about getting it done in the most easiest way possible, or you figure out what works for you best. Okay, I hope you guys like our content. Please share if you like it, press like, subscribe, so we can get good ratings. Okay, or continue getting good ratings. We appreciate it. We have almost over 200 videos, maybe almost 300 videos. We're always in the kitchen. We go from when it's the warm weather, because we're in the northern part of Connecticut. So, you know, during the warm weather, summertime, you'll find us in the garden, seeding, maintaining the garden, harvesting, taking our garden whole foods from the garden into the kitchen, and we show you how we prepare our food. Oh my goodness. I can't wait. Anyhow, thank you for tuning in. Please subscribe. And once again, we don't own the right to the music you hear. You're listening to the radio along with us. Okay? Ashe.